how to show or hide ribbon in Microsoft Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Excel and then at the very top left beside your profile, you can see upwards arrow inside a box. Just tap on it. And here you can see auto hide ribbon option. So if you tap on it, this hides the ribbon. Now to show it, you will need to hover over and then just tap on it and then it will show the ribbon. Now if you go to that option again, you can see show tabs option. So if you tap on this, it will only show the tabs and you can see show tab and commands. So here it will show both the tab and commands. So this is how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.